What is up, everyone? Welcome to CanvaPlay.
Hello, good hearts and godsends. It's been a while since my last tutorial, and I'm so happy to be back with you again. I'm restarting my tutorial series with this double exposure effect in Canva. The voice is finally back, now with an AI-enhanced twist for clearer and better audio. Let's dive into the tutorial. Gather the images you'd like to use for your design. For this design, I selected 3 beautiful images from photos and uploads. Remove the background of the two selected photos. Then arrange the two in an artistic position that perfectly suits this style of design. Edit them both using duotone. Apply any duotone subfilter. For the highlights, black color. For the shadows, black color. Intensity, 100. Apply the same edits to the other photo. To make the process faster, click the edited black photo, copy its style, then select the other photo and apply the same settings. Download the final image as a PNG file. Upload it back. Drag the other photo. To blend the two images together, go to the Apps section and search for Blend Image. For the bottom layer, select the black image. For the top layer, choose the other photo. Set the blend mode to screen to create the effect. You'll instantly see a preview of the blended image. If you'd like to refine the look further, adjust the top layer settings by scrolling down and modifying the placement, scale, horizontal and vertical offset, and rotation. Continue adjusting until you achieve the look you're satisfied with. Bring back the original photo and overlay it on top of the blended image. Lower the transparency to 50% to create a soft ghost-like visual effect. Opacity blend between the combined images. To create smoother transitions and a more seamless, go to the Apps section and search for Image Blender. Edit the woman image using the Image Blender. Use Fade, Linear. Control the end-to-end point like this. When satisfied, save it and it will automatically save to the uploads. Get it from the uploads and overlay it to blended image. The same process with the man image. Use Fade, Linear. Control the end-to-end point like this. When satisfied, save it and it will automatically save to the uploads. Get it from the uploads and overlay it to blended image. For the final touch, create a smooth fading transparency effect at the bottom part of the design. Download the design as a transparent PNG file, then upload it back into Canva. Open the Apps section and launch Image Blender. Select the Fade option and set it to Linear. Adjust the transparency settings until the bottom area blends smoothly and naturally. Save it. Get the saved image from Uploads. Replace the unedited with the edited image. And that's it. Here's the final result of the double exposure effect created in Canva. For more design inspiration, watch these. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And to stay updated with our upcoming tutorials, be sure to subscribe. This is Pinky Godsent BA, and in behalf of Simon Goodhart BA, thank you for watching until the very end. See you in the next tutorial.